bright and fun for me. Blue, blue, sky so high. Blue is the color of the sky. B-L-U-E, come along. Let's all sing the blue song. Green, green, tree so tall. Green is the color we love all. G-R-E-E-N, green is near. Green means nature, fresh and clear. Yellow, yellow, shining sun. Yellow makes the day so fun. Y-E-L-L-W, come and play. Yellow brightens up our day. Orange, orange, carrot treat. Crunchy, tasty, good to eat. O-R-A-N-G-E, sing along. Orange makes a happy song. Pink, pink, flowers bloom. Pink and brighten up the room. P-I-N-K, we all say. Pink is lovely every day. Purple, purple, grapes we eat. Purple is a color sweet. P-U-R-P-L-E, so bright. Purple shines in day and night. Brown, brown, a teddy bear. Brown is cuddly everywhere. B-R-O-W-N, don't you know? Brown is cozy head to toe. Black, black, the starry night. Black is dark but full of light. B-L-A-C-K, up above. Black with stars is what we love. White, white, snowflakes fall. White is shining over all. W-H-I-T-E, snowy bright. White makes winter pure and light. Our final together. Colors, colors, one by one. Learning colors is so fun. Red, blue,